start with our unit number 5. We are going to start with our poem. The title of the poem is The Balloon Man. It is a class 4 poem, students. It is written by Rose Ellerman. Who was she, students? She was an English writer and a poet famous for her works for children. At the age of 9, she first saw one of her composition published in a local paper, and she also received her diploma as associate of Royal College of Music in London. So now we'll go to the poem, students. Basically, this poem is about the balloon seller. So what does the balloon seller does? On the market day, the balloon man stands at the busiest place in the market, where there is many people in the market. There only the balloon man stands. So what does he brings with him? He brings different variety of or different kinds of or different colors of balloons with him. So now we read the stanza, students. He always comes on market day and holds balloon, a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. So I have told you before also, students, what does he do? He stands at the busiest place in the market square, and he brings many type or different kinds of balloons with him, and he never seems to think of that. He is continuously working there and just not thinking about to have lunch at the afternoon. Now we go to the second stanza. They are red, purple, blue, and green. And when it is a sunny day, the carts and the people get between. You see them shining far away. So here the color of balloons are mentioned here, students. Like they are red, purple, blue, and green. And when it is sunny day, when the day is sunny, the cart and the people get between. The cart means like the cart of the ice cream man, or here the cart means the two-wheel cart, and people get between. So when he is selling the balloons in the market, what things come between the balloon man? The cart and the people get between the balloon man, and you see them shining far away. Between the crowd, the children can identify the balloon man from far away also. Now, and some are big and some are small, all tied together with string. And if there is a wind at all, they tuck and tuck like anything. So, what does the poet tells in the third stanza? The balloons are big and some are small. Some balloons are big in size and some balloons are small in size. And all the balloons, big to small, are tied with the string. String means here, as you have seen, the balloon man have the strings with them. Like when they blow the balloon, they tie the balloon with the strings. Why they tie the balloon with strings? Because when the wind blows, the balloons can't fly. And if there is a wind at all, they tuck and tuck like anything. So here they are mentioning that if the wind is blowing there, so the balloons can't fly in the sky. Some days perhaps he can let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They could look pretty in the sky. Here in the last stanza, what did the child flying in the sky. So students, now we will go to the summary of this poem, The Balloon Man. In the summary of the poem, The Balloon Man, we shall explore the poem composed by Rose Salomon in detail. In this poem, there is a young girl. What? In this poem, there is a young girl who meets a balloon man whom she often meets in the market. So, a small girl often meets the balloon man in the market square. The balloon man is found carrying balloon of various color. As I have told you before, also students, the balloon man have different types of balloons. The balloon man have different kinds of balloon colors. Like the balloon man has various colors like red, purple, blue, and green. And these balloons look very vibrated from a distance when the market is crowded with cars and people. As I have told you before also, when the balloon man is standing in the market, the balloon man is seen very, the children can see the balloon man from far away also, that the balloon man is standing there, because the balloon man is having colorful balloons with him. The balloons are of different shapes and size, which are secured with a thin string of thread and looks beautiful. So I have told you before also, students, after blowing the balloons, the balloon man tied with the string. Why the balloon man tied the balloon with string? Because the balloon will fly in the sky. That's why the balloon man tie the balloon with the string. When the wind blows, look beautiful when the wind blows. Having said that, the girl strongly wishes that someday perhaps the balloon man could let loose the balloons in the air and they could sail high in the sky and look pretty flirting in the air. I have told you before also, what did the children hope? The children hopes that the different colored balloons could fly high in the sky. So this is about the poem, students. Now we will go to the word meanings. So first one is bunch. What do you mean by bunch, students? A number of things of same kind kept together. Bunch, which are a bunch of balloons, bunch of pencils. So something is kept in bunch. Something is kept in a in a group, or something is kept like for example, I gave a bunch of white flowers to my teacher. Square means it is a four-sided. The market is a four-sided area. So a four-sided area surrounded by buildings. So what is the market is surrounded by? So the market is surrounded by buildings. Sunny, bright sunlight. Sunny means if you go outside in a sunny day, you feel like direct sunlight coming from the sun. So that is called sunny. Sunny means bright sunlight. Tug means full heart. So what did the balloon man tug? When the children buy balloons from the balloon man tug the balloon and give the balloon to the children. Now we go to the question answers. Where does the balloon man stand? The balloon man stood in the market square. That we know very well, students. What happens to the balloon man when there is a wind? The balloon man starts tugging when there is a wind. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? The child would like balloon man to do balloon goes sailing high in the sky. Now the next question, how high can balloon fly? Balloons can fly up to 20 feet high. What do you like about this poem, students? I like the colorful balloons in the poem that fly high in the sky. Thank you, students. This is about our poem. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Take care.